This is 100% the fastest way to make money online if you're a teen in 2024. I don't want to talk about drop shipping. I don't want to talk about affiliate marketing. We're talking about growing on social media and using social media to make money. Here is a screenshot of my 90-day analytics on Instagram. I had 30 million accounts reached, and that 30 million accounts reached helped me make over $20,000 in that 3 months. Now I'm going to break to you down how I did it and how you can do it too. It's not difficult. It's not hard. Will it take some dedication? Will it take some market research? Yes, but you can get started today for $0. So let's hop into it. So essentially what I do is I post promotions on Instagram for aspiring YouTubers, clothing brands, etc. I'll show you an example of one of my posts right now. This post right here, I just posted yesterday, was for a YouTuber who's trying to get his page off the ground. His name is Hood Rich. This post right here got 5,000 likes. Let's show the insights real quick so I can break it down to y'all. Got 107,000 views in like 15 hours, 400 shares, 1,200 bookmarks, and 5,000 likes. That post right there helped him grow on Instagram and YouTube, and it also helped my page grow at the same time. But I also got paid to post that as a promotion. So as you see, I post other people's content and make money from it on Instagram. Now you say, Kyle, like, is that copyright? A lot of y'all be commenting copyright, yo, this dude's stealing content. No, I'm not. I repost videos all the time, and I'll give you an example of how it works. So for example, this video right here with Kai Cenat, this video got 239,000 views. 14,000 likes, 2,500 shares. Did my page get taken down? No. Did I make money from this post? Yes. Now you may say, Kai, how do you make money from a post that's not yours? I'll break it down to you right now. It's super simple. When you repost other people's content on Instagram and then tag them, that counts as a repost. Now, does your account still get the views? Yes. Does your account still get the likes? Yes. My account has been growing at an exponentially fast rate for the past 3 or 4 months because I figured out the simple ways to grow on social media that no one is doing. The fastest way to grow on any social media site, and I don't care what anyone says, is reposting other people's content. It's not stealing. It's not copyright. If you tag them, it's fine. For example, another Kai Cenat post, 50,000 views, 2,200 likes. Did I make money from that video? Yes. It's literally not that hard. I literally just go and I just repost viral videos. It's really super simple, y'all. You can make easy money from it. Now, Kai, how do you make money from it? Like, what do you do? I'm going to give you the behind the scenes. This is what I've never done before in this video. I've never showed you what a promotion looked like, how to run a promotion. I'm going to show you today how to do it. So, for example, the last promo that I did was with Hood Rich, my guy, super cool dude. I'm gonna just break it down to y'all boys, man, exactly how a promotion goes down. Now, this right here, I did not charge him because I liked his content. I thought his content was lit, but regularly I do charge people. I'll post a screenshot of what it looks like when I charge somebody right here. So this right here, I just posted it for free because he seemed like a cool dude. He hit me up and he said, yo, you got to start covering me. I'm up next. This is his channel. He got 100K. Shout out to him. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, I'll check him out. So I go to his page. I look at him. Okay, he got some cool content. I said, congrats. And then he sent me his reel. And this is all that you need to do. This is really the most simple thing ever. If you see somebody that has a viral reel and you want to repost it, you hit the share button, hit copy link, go to the Safari or Google Chrome, whatever you use, go to Instagram Reel Downloader. Super simple, super fast. Hit that. You want to put the link into this website, hit download. It's going to download the video just like this. You see it, hit download, add, skip the ad, download. Once you grab that, download that, boom, now you got it. This is an example of what it looks like when somebody buys a promotion from me. They hit me up on Instagram saying, hey, I'd like to purchase a promotion. I have an Instagram bot that automatically sends out this text. It says, hey, thanks for the DM. We currently have the following posts. $20 for a story post, $30 for 24-hour page, and $40 for permanent page. I set my prices the way I want to. I have them really affordable so I get more people. Some people set them super high so they take less clients but they make more money. It's up to you. I personally like to be more affordable. So he says, yo, I want a permanent post. Can we do 10 real posts for $250? Now, he was trying to undercut me a little bit. So I said, nah, bro, we can't do that. I said, hey, I love to work with you. You know what I'm saying? But $250 for 10 posts isn't something that we're capable of doing, solely based on our rate, which is $40 for one post. So if you're working on a budget of $250, I'll be comfortable with doing a deal for 7 posts. That's a really good deal if you're trying to get 7 posts posted on a page like mine. He said, oh, you guys do permanent posts? Okay, let's start with one and then go from there. So he sent me the reel. This was the reel right here that he sent. He sent me the actual video file itself. So I was like, okay, cool. Bet, is Cash App all right? So he said, yes. I sent him my Cash App. As you see, he sent me the caption. I helped him him write the caption to make it better, you know, put the hashtags in the caption, etc. Boom. Then I said, sorry for the delay, because I was running on a treadmill in the gym, and I tried to tag him, but it said I couldn't tag him right here. So I sent him a DM, said, yo, bro, can you fix this? He fixed it. I posted a promotion, and it did super well. So that right there, an example of how, you know, a promotion looks like. How is it fast? How is that the fastest way to grow on social media? How is it the fastest way to make money online? Because you can blow on an Instagram account from one post. One post took my page from doing 1,000 views a day, 5,000 views a day, to doing 10,000, 20,000 views a day. One singular post. And I've showed this post on multiple other videos before, but it's a post that I did a while ago. I have to scroll all the way back down to find it. But when I find it, I'll put it back on the screen for you guys. You can see this post literally grew me from doing 5,000 views a day on Instagram to doing over 20,000 per day in impressions and everything, etc. And helped me make money online from Instagram. So if you're interested in learning how to make money on Instagram and you want me to break it down to you step by step, how you can grow, what secrets that that the industry has that no one knows. I talked about these before, but people seem to want me to put this together in more of a formulated, like a course type thing. And people have been DMing me for this for the longest time. If you're interested in something like that, DM me on Instagram. I'm in, and I'll send you a link to something that I'm only doing for 20 people. So yeah, if you're interested in growing online super fast and you want a step-by-step guide, you want me to hold your hand and walk you through it, nothing wrong with that. I'll do that for y'all. Comment down below, I'm in, and DM me on Instagram. I'm in on my Instagram at KYWavy. It's right here. I'm gonna post it right here so you guys don't get confused. This is my Instagram. Now, I'm gonna take the last 2-3 minutes of this video to just give you some quick advice that I can give to anyone trying to start an Instagram theme page or repost method type Instagram account. 3 tips that you're gonna need that you can use that will help you grow. 1 is post on a consistent basis. You're gonna wanna post at 3 or 4 times throughout the day, every single day. It can be 9 a.m., it could be noon, 3, and then 6 p.m. Boom. Or you can do like, you know, noon, 3, 6, and 9, whatever, etc. But you want to post at the same times every single day. So Instagram knows that, hey, he or she gets their content out at this time. I'm going to want to, you know, push their stuff to the algorithm at this time because they post at this time. It makes it easier for the algorithm. Anything that makes it easier for the algorithm is a super big W to you. It makes your life way easier. You never want to make the algorithm's job harder because obviously the algorithm won't work it well. So yeah, make it super simple, post at the same time every single day. Boom. 2, you're going to want to only repost viral content. If you are the type of person that scrolls on Instagram all day or scrolls on TikTok all day, there is absolutely no reason why you are not doing this method. It's super simple and fast. If you scroll on TikTok for 2 hours a day and you don't repost those videos that you find on Instagram, you're insane, because you can literally grow an account, and I mean from 0, just by hitting the algorithm with 1 video, and that video takes you to a whole nother level. It's really so insane how easy it is to grow and make money online in 2024. It's super simple and it's crazy because no one thinks that this method works. I've had people DM me on Instagram, and I'll put a screenshot right here. Dude literally said, yo, Kai, this changed my life. I live in Nigeria, or it was somewhere in Africa, but he said, this literally changed my life. Thank you so much. It's so simple that people overlook it because they think it won't work. They think they can't do it. They quit after a day or 2 days because their post only got 500 views or 1,000 views. It took me a month to get started. Now you might say, Kai, that's not fast. Well, compare that to drop shipping, where you need to, you know, research products for a month, ship out the products or receive the product for a month, film the videos for the product, which can take weeks, market those. Then you got to put money into that. This is a $0 investment that you can get started with today to make money online. There's no reason why you don't give it a shot. And then the last tip that I will give to anyone trying to grow on social media, regardless if you want to make money, if you just want to help people, if you just want to grow, be a social figure, don't quit. Even if it takes 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks to get your first video to hit 1,000 views, do not quit, because everyone that quit immediately gets disqualified. Think about it. If you quit, you automatically lose. But if you stay for a month, month and a half, 2 months, it doesn't matter if it takes you 2 months to get your first video to hit 1 million views on Reels. It took me about a month and a half, 2 months to get my first 1 million view reel. But once you do, now you have something to negotiate with people about. Hey, I have my reels that reach over 1 million views. You know, pay me $50 compared to paying me $10 or paying me $50. You know, it changes the game for you. So anyone that's trying to grow on social media, no matter what the goal is, do not quit, man. So I just want to make this video real quick for y'all because y'all been asking me for another video on this topic. Y'all been wanting one-on-one coaching. If you want that, again, DM me on Instagram at KYWavy. I'm in. That'll get you in the group. And yeah, man, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. I love y'all to death. And it's 2024. Let's get to a bag, baby. Deuces, gang. I love y'all.